guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to do today is I have a plate that I purchased at Hobby Lobby last year. You could use any plate that you wanted, and I want to make a plate for Santa's cookies to go on. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, so I'm just going to go to New Project, the circle with the plus, or you can go to New Project, right top corner. It doesn't matter. Both will start a new project. So I'm going to click on that. That will put us on our canvas. Now I'm going to go to images over here on the left side. Click on that. And if you don't know what you want to find, up here in the top in this search box, just type in Christmas and hit search, and all these beautiful Christmas sayings and images will pop up. But I know what I want, so I'm going up to my projects, the top of the right side here, and I'm going to click on that. Now I'm going to pick this one right here. Now since I want to customize the size, I'm going to just hit customize. If you don't want to do it, you can hit make it, but I want to customize it, and that will put it on our canvas here. Now this right here, I'm going to put it up here in the corner. Now I'm going to do this little Santa house, and it says bakery, and I'm going to do it like I do my stickers. I have some Avery shipping labels. They're 8.5 by 11, and they're the white. They also come in like a clear, but I have the white. And you can, this little arrow, you can pull it out till you get it where you want it, if you want it the same size all around. And I do. I want mine 4.5 by 4.5. But it's quite this, it's getting a little bit taller than it is wide right here. So I can't get the exact size I want, so I'm going to go up here where it says size at the top. There's a little lock. I'm going to unlock it and just get it to where it says 4.5, and this will be 4.5, and then I'm going to lock it back, okay? And that one is ready. If you go over here and look, because I've clicked on it, if you look over here on the layers panel, it's all turned gray, and you know that's the one you're working on. Santa here is still just like this white color, and this is all a cut then print, and that's what I want, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and go to Santa here now, and I want Santa to be, the word Santa to be 4 inches. So I'm going to just go ahead and put, I think I want it to be 4.0. Let's look at this. By 4.0, it may be too big. Yeah, that's too big. Okay, so we're just going to scale this back and see what we might want to do. And you can also pull it out like directionally. If I want it a little longer, I can pull it out that way. Okay, if I want it shorter, I can take it in that way. So let's see what let me move this. So since I have that one, let's just look at Santa and see about how long I want Santa. I think I want the word Santa to be like probably 3.5 actually would be really good. So I'm going to take that to 3.5. And then tall, I want it 1 inch tall, okay? So we're going to pull this in till it is 1 inch, and that's a little more than 1 inch. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I think that's how I want it. Now, if I want to put a curve in it, you definitely can do that. But I think I want mine like this. I think this will be fine. So now I'm going to make it right top corner, and I'm going to be using 2 mats, okay? You can see right here. Now for this one that's a print and cut, I don't want to mirror the image, but for this one where it's going to say Santa, I have to use my transfer tape, and so I still don't have to mirror the image because I'm going to be using my transfer tape. Now, if I was going to put this on a shirt, I would want to mirror it. I hope I didn't make that confusing, okay? So we're just going to go to continue right bottom corner. My computer is connecting to my Cricut. Now I need to set this to custom because the first thing I'm going to be cutting is this little house here, okay? So I'm just going to do it at the washi setting right here. And I'm just going to leave the regular pressure. If you want to add more, you can click on this and add more or less pressure, but I don't want to. Okay, so now I'm going to send it to my printer, and it's going to print it, and I'm going to take the bleed off, okay? And you can make as many copies as you want. That's how I do my stickers. I'm going to print it, and it will print off on my printer. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is switch to my phone so you can see. I have my standard grip mat here. And here is the plate that I was telling you that I bought last year at Hobby Lobby, but you can use any plate. And here's my Avery shipping labels that I use. You can get them at Walmart, Office Depot, any place like that. And it's for laser or inkjet, and that's what I use to make my stickers, okay? So here is what I just printed out, right like this. I think that's going to be beautiful. Now all I'm going to do is just put this right here on here, and then we're going to cut this out. I'm going to load it with the arrow, and then it's going to cut with the blinking C. Now it's reading the registration marks to know where to cut. That's what it's doing, and then it will start cutting. And it's basically going to cut this outline out, and then all I have to do is just put it on the plate, and then I'm going to put Santa's name on the top. This is so easy. If you can't find a plate like you want, no problem. You can just make your own. And it really doesn't take long to do this. Okay, and it's finished. The blinking arrow to eject. And then all we're going to do is peel this off of here. We're going to get our plate. And this is how it's called a kiss then cut. And it just takes this and turns it into this gigantic sticker that you can use to put on anything that you want. Okay, and that's what we have. I love it. So your Cricut will do a lot more than just you know, use it for other things like we've been doing, okay? And then all you have to do is find out approximately where you want it and just put it in there. And now you have this adorable plate. I love it, okay? So now what we're going to do is I have some Cricut vinyl right here, and it's white. And it's the removable vinyl. And okay, I cut this down so I wouldn't waste any of my vinyl, and I'm just going to put it right here. Then I'm just going to load it into my Cricut with the blinking arrow and cut with the blinking C. Now you really wouldn't want to eat off of this. But, I mean, it would be cute just to set around or something like that, but I don't think I would eat off of it. Okay, now we will eject it. Now we'll weed this by pulling away what we do not want. And I really could have saved a lot more of the vinyl than I did. But this is like a white pearlized. But I think this is going to be so pretty under my candy tree, okay? Then I'm just going to get some transfer tape. This is my last piece of the Cricut transfer tape. And I'm tell you the truth, I'm glad because this is so strong that I'm going to get the others like you all told me to. Okay, then we're going to put that on there. Now with this, it's not like the Arteza. You do have to rub it on here. With the Arteza, truly, you just lay it down and it picks it up. But this cuts much better. Okay, so what we're going to do next is just put this. I think this is going to be so cute. Okay, try to get it centered as best you can. And then just put this right on here. This is so easy. Don't be intimidated by your Cricut. It's very easy to do. Okay, and we're just going to start peeling back. You can see the difference between this and the other that I've been using. And this is what we have. We have this beautiful plate for Santa to have his cookies on. I think it is beautiful. You could even put cookies for and then put Santa. And it says the bakery right here. I think this is gorgeous. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.